I've ever tried. I took permission from him. He allowed me to video record it. So here you can see how he is making it. He's professional. I don't know how many years he has been making omelette. So look at this. He's making now 2 omelettes at a time. I mean, like, one is mixed, another one is like a sunny side type. So watch carefully how he is doing it. Okay, he puts a little bit of 1 spoonful of oil, not a lot of oil together. He's mixing the other one that has been mixed before. So he asked me how I want it. I said put everything, put all the ingredients. So it's everything. Okay, he put 2 spoonful of mixed egg. So it's mixed. Cube shaped tomatoes, cube shaped onions, 1 kind of chili, the other kind of chili. One is hot, another one is not, and then cheese. Finally, sprinkle of salt. He'll be mixing that. So he's doing 2 things together, so it gets cooked. So look at this. So he's like his name is Wahidul Alam. Very happy guy. Very colorful omelette. So notice he's not putting high heat. If you put high heat, it will be cooked fast, but it won't be cooked the way he wants probably. So he's putting medium heat. You can see it's taking a while to get cooked, and he's shaking it so it doesn't get stuck. So one is he's shaking it, another one is he's flipping it. 2 things I noticed it. They're very colorful. It has, like, I don't know how many eggs are there already. Like, I think hundreds of eggs are there. So he's putting like 2 eggs, 2 spoonful of 2 scoops. Okay, let me show you now how he's doing. This is already cooked, already getting cooked. Okay, so you see that? Oh, I should have showed it before. Okay, no problem, because I'm showing it over and over again. So he's doing both. He's mixing and also making omelette, cooking it. I mean, like, frying it. So medium, remember it, medium heat. And look how he's transferring it. So first thing is medium heat. Second thing is not a lot of oil together. And third is mixing it well, I believe. And what you are putting. Or third is what you. The ingredients are very important too. So he's putting cheese. He's putting 2 different kinds of chilies, onions, tomatoes, and little bit of salt. That's it. Those are cube shaped. Everything is cube shaped. I've noticed that. Because otherwise, if you put it too long, when you eat it, half of it will come outside the mouth, half of it is inside the mouth. That's like embarrassing. So you put it all as cube shape, remember. And it turns so good. I mean, like, I cannot tell you how good it was. That's why I took permission and I recorded it. And you see that he's not putting too much heat, and it's kind of fluffy, airy, and absolutely delicious. One is done. This is done. This is my one. He gave it to me. Look at this. So this is the cooked one. That's how it looks. So I believe you remembered the trick. This is the other body, and here's another body, I believe. Oh, this is my one. I don't remember. So try it at home. Thank you.